Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great and I hope you really had a good day today. Markets were super volatile. That's why we told in yesterday's video that the markets are likely to be volatile, and I told there is a 400% increase in open interest or there is a 400% increase in future long position. So you know what happened, and in fact FIAs have bought in huge numbers. They have bought around 1200 1200 plus crores of cash provision in today's market, and DIs have sold for around 300 something crores. So you can understand that it is FIAs who are taking the market on the higher side, and without FIAs nothing is going to happen. And if I show you a very realistic chart, if you can see this is the Nifty chart, and what you can see is there is a trend formation. Now wherever the bottom is, there is a trend formation, clear trend formation in Nifty. Now if you can see that there is the probability of Nifty going on the higher side is very high, but the probability of Nifty coming down is very less. This chart itself is showing clearly that Nifty is likely to touch 18,000. So what you can do, maybe you can sell 18,000, 17,200 or 17,400 put option or 17,500. In fact, we have sold even 17,000 put option in May expiry. So that is what we have done, because I don't think Nifty is anytime going to come down on the downside unless until there is any negative data. We have a very important data which is due on Wednesday, I think 3rd of May, which is FOMC, not FOMC, that is Federal Reserve is going to come out with interest rate hike. That is going to be on, let me give you the correct date. Non-farm payroll data is going to come on 5th of May. Before that, before that on, let me check, before that on May, inflation rate is going to be coming out on May 10th. And there are lots of data coming due on US market. So you know that US markets are the main market, and federal rate interest rate decision is going to be out on 3rd of May. So that is all the important data. So 3rd of May, you have to note, 3rd of May is going to be the important day. That is when the Federal Reserve is going to come out and they are going to likely increase their interest rate. And they have told, or they have indicated in the previous meeting, that it could be around 50 basis point. Until then, the market is likely to go on the higher side. So that is in terms of Nifty. And if you see it in terms of Bank Nifty, what you are seeing here is Bank Nifty chart, and Bank Nifty clearly shows there is a divergence. Now on the downside, you can see there is a divergence. RSI is making higher lows, and price action is making higher high. In fact, we are sitting at 42,838, but relative strength index is not supporting this price action. Now this may not come true, right? There are probability that this divergence or negative divergence may not happen. So that is a hypothesis. So we cannot tell that this is really a game changer, or this is going to be a trend reversal. Who knows? Even in Nifty chart, if you see the Nifty chart, we thought this trend line will be respected, but it never respected. After touching 17,600 in Nifty, after touching 17,700 in Nifty, we thought market will come down to around 16,000 or 16,830 or 17,000, but it never happened, right? Instead, what is happening is we are seeing 17,800 levels, and that is where people are writing huge number of call options or short straddle. So what you are seeing now is a open interest chart of Nifty, and you can see literally there is no call rating at all. Whatever they are doing is they are writing huge number of puts in Nifty. So you can understand, first thing is markets are bullish, FIIs are bullish, retailers are bullish, all the market participants are bullish, and we cannot expect the market to come down. No, who knows, if we are bullish, then only market comes down, right? Anyway, this is the Nifty chart, and what we can see is people are writing huge put options from 17,700 to 17,300. So that is what is happening. 17,700, 17,600, 17,500. That's why I told we have written even 17,000 put option in May expiry. And premiums are very low because India VIX is also very low, around 12. And today we saw India VIX going on the higher side. We really don't know what is the reason, and maybe there are some panic among retail investors, but that panic is also going to be over in next 2 or 3 days. And what you are seeing here is open interest of Bank Nifty, and you can see that huge call options, put option is being written at 42,500, 42,000, and even 41,500. On the call side, 43,000 is having the highest open interest. And as of now, as I talk to you, SGX Nifty is almost down, and XGS Nifty is irrelevant nowadays, because what happens is that it shows different figures. Now it showed 130-40 points gap up today morning. But what happened is it opened really flat. Now as I talk to you, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. Europe is down, but it will recover once the US market is opening, right? And SGX Nifty as of now, as I talk to you, is down by 14 points, right? So we'll see how things pan out. This is the time to go long in the market. I wouldn't advise you to go short in the market. It is really bull market. It is really bull run, and market doesn't really want to come down. Even if it wants to come down, maybe 17,500 in Nifty is going to be a very, very good support, and 42,000 is going to be a very, very good support in Bank Nifty. All you have to do is write some put options. Of course, you have to hedge those positions. Don't try to take any trades without hedging. So make sure you hedge your position and write a put option, lots of put option. So this is what I can see. And as I told you, FIIs are long in futures. They have increased their future long positions. And why we are showing importance to future long position is because whenever FII want to go long, or whenever FII want to short the market, they do it in futures only. Now if you see, when Nifty was at 16,800, we saw huge number of short positions, future short position, future shorts in futures. So they had around 166,000. Now from 166,000 they have come to around 56,000, and long position they just had 25,000, and it has gone to around 65,000. Still future short position is high, around 87,000 is there, but they have reduced it by 50%. But at the same time, future long position, they have added more than 300% or 350%. That is why we are saying it is FIIs who are deciding the market, and FIIs will decide where the market has to go. Now they are long in the market, and it is advisable that we also be long in the market. So I hope I summarized this. And today morning also I told it, today morning pre-market video also I told we have started putting pre-market video, that the that market going on the downside is very, very limited, and markets are likely to go on the higher side, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.